Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your apps or you can close your apps on your TCL Smart TV. So if you want to close any app, for example, if I'm on YouTube, and if I want to close YouTube, what I can simply do is I can click on my remote back button twice, and this is going to close my YouTube application. But for some application it's different. So for example, if I am on Netflix, so as you can see, I'm on Netflix, and if I click the back button twice, it is not going to go back to my home screen and close the application. So to close the application on Netflix, you can go navigate towards the left side of the panel, and you can scroll down, and as you can see, this is the exit Netflix button right here. If you click on exit Netflix, then it is going to quit the application. So these are the two ways to quit your applications on your Smart TV. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.